Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto 5 without the Rockstar Games Launcher. Many players prefer a streamlined experience, avoiding extra steps to jump into Los Santos. We will explore several effective strategies to launch your game more directly, often leveraging other popular gaming platforms. This guide aims to simplify your access, getting you into the action with fewer clicks and less hassle, ensuring a smoother start to your adventures. One of the most straightforward ways to play Grand Theft Auto 5 without directly interacting with the Rockstar Games Launcher is by using other platforms. If you own the game on Steam, simply launching it from your Steam library will initiate the game. Similarly, players who purchased Grand Theft Auto 5 through the Epic Games Store can launch it directly from there. These platforms manage the necessary background processes, including authentication, making your startup experience much smoother. Another approach involves attempting to launch the game's executable file directly from its installation directory. While this often still triggers the Rockstar Games Launcher in the background for authentication, it can sometimes bypass the visible interface. Furthermore, once your game is authenticated and updated, playing in offline mode can sometimes minimize the launcher's active presence. Remember, initial setup and occasional online checks are usually required for full functionality. It is important to understand that even when you launch Grand Theft Auto 5 through other platforms or directly, the Rockstar Games Launcher often operates silently in the background. It handles crucial tasks like authentication, updates, and access to online services. While you might not see its interface, its components are usually active. Always ensure your game is legitimately owned and correctly installed to avoid any issues and enjoy a seamless gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.